Hi, my name is Devan Patterson, and I'm a Business Central consultant with Sabre Limited. In this video series, we're going to cover the new quality management feature by Microsoft in Business Central. So I'm going to say this is probably one of the more exciting releases in recent history. This is going to be BC version 28. I don't believe it's generally available to the public right now as of mid-April, but it should be very soon. So we're going to go ahead and get started. In this series, we're going to cover the basics, like what is quality management. We're going to go over that initial quality management installation and role overview. We're going to cover the setup. We're going to cover configuring those quality inspection results, creating inspection templates, inspection generation rules, and then we're going to put it all together, and we're actually going to run through these inspections using real machine part examples. So we're not going to do inspections on like coffee makers or bicycles or anything like that. I'm going to use some real like parts that have went through machines or that you would receive in on a PO. Not that you wouldn't work on bikes and coffee makers, but that's always the demo data in Business Central demo environments, and I want to use something a little bit different. And finally, we're going to review some historical quality inspections after we go through those. Okay, so what is quality management? At a high level, I would say it's just ensuring product quality through these different inspections, inspection templates, and being able to generate these templates when you need them. You can have these quality inspections happen when you actually receive in parts on a purchase order, on a production output, assembly output if you're using assembly orders, and you can also have them generated manually or scheduled based on different intervals. Okay, and for that quality check scope, it's going to apply that quality check to various levels, including those individual items, groups, lots, or however you're tracking those items. We're going to go over those different physical parameters, so those different measurements that you can set up. They can be weight, dimensions, density, color, whatever your quality inspections call out for, you can set that up. We're going to go over those different quality check timing and triggers. So whenever you want those quality checks to happen at point of receipt or during that output, you can make sure that those inspection reports get generated at that time. We're also going to go over the quality test plans. So we're going to define that quality test plan for each of those scopes, include those triggers and those testing parameters. Then finally, we're going to go over those different quarantine procedures that you can use. There's also some reporting included, like your quality certificates, your certificate of analysis, and just that overall quality status overview for those items or whatever you're performing those inspections on. Okay, so now we're going to hop over to Business Central, and we're actually going to start setting it up. Okay, here I am in Business Central, and the first thing we're going to do is actually install it. So in order to install, you're actually going to go to Extension Management, then the App Source Gallery, and from here, I'm just going to look up Quality Management. And you're going to want to select the Quality Management published by Microsoft. Now I'm just going to go ahead and install, continue, install. And of course, when you're installing this, I would recommend doing it in your sandbox first. And if you're installing it into production, just try and do it after hours, because it can at times interrupt people who are currently working in the system. Ask me if I want to run the initial setup. I'm just going to go ahead and run that. So here it just takes me directly to that quality management setup page. So just like you have manufacturing setup or sales and you have sales and receivables or purchase and payables. They have all these different setup pages all throughout Business Central. Quality management has its own also. So you can set up your number series here. You can configure how your inspections are created. You can go down here and already generate your rules for when these inspections are made for these specific documents like purchase orders or production orders or whatever you're inspecting. And there's a couple of other settings down here too. I'm going to continue with these defaults because we're actually going to get into all these setups once I get going. Okay, so the next piece I want to show you in this video is the role that you get. So you actually get a new quality manager role. I'm just going to go to my settings and go down here. You can see quality manager. Okay. Now, right off the bat, one of my favorite things about this new role is this checklist. Now they have this whole list that you can go down and set up your results, your test templates, all that, basically all those different points I was talking about in the PowerPoint. So I really like that you can go through each of these. It takes you to the page and it helps you set them up. And then you can mark each one as completed as you go. So it's kind of like a little guide to get you started. Okay, so that about does it for this session. This is just that intro to show you what quality management is. And in our future sessions, we're going to go over all that different setup. I'm going to cover those inspection result configurations, the different templates. We're going to check out those generation rules and everything else. Then a few videos down the line, we're actually going to run it all the way through start to end. So thanks for joining. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you use Business Central or you're interested in Business Central, don't hesitate to reach out to us either on YouTube or on sabrelimited.com. Thank you.